Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace an engine air filter. First, gather your new air filter and any tools, like a screwdriver, that might be necessary. Always make sure your vehicle's engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin any work. You will find the air filter housing, usually a large black box, located under the hood of your Subaru Impreza. Now, let's access the old filter. Most Subaru Impreza models have an air filter housing secured by 2 to 4 metal clips. Simply unclip these fasteners. Some models might require unscrewing a few screws. Once unclipped or unscrewed, gently lift the top half of the housing. Take a moment to note how the old filter is seated. This will help with the new installation. With the housing open, you can now easily remove the old, dirty engine air filter. Simply lift it out. Take a moment to inspect the inside of the airbox. You might find accumulated leaves, dust, or other debris. It is a good practice to wipe the inside of the housing clean with a damp cloth before installing the new filter, ensuring a fresh start. Finally, it is time to install your brand new engine air filter. Carefully place the new filter into the housing, making sure its orientation matches the old one. Press down gently to ensure it sits snugly and evenly, without any gaps around the edges. Then, lower the top half of the housing and secure it firmly with all the clips or screws. This simple task improves engine performance and fuel efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.